In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an audio overview in NotebookLM and make use of it efficiently. First, let's make sure you're prepared to follow along by ensuring that your notebook has sources enabled and that you have permission to edit it. This is crucial because without the right permissions, you won't be able to proceed with creating an audio overview. Now let's head over to the NotebookLM user interface. Within the interface, you should be able to locate the audio player specifically for the overview. Take your time to familiarize yourself with this panel, as it will play an important role in our process. Now, if the option is available, you'll want to download the audio file of this overview. Typically, you'll find this option labeled as Download in the Studio or Audio Overview panel. Look around carefully, as the location might vary slightly depending on the version or update of the software you're using. Once you have successfully downloaded the audio file, the next step involves integrating it back into your notebook. You'll do this by uploading the audio file into your notebook as a new source. This might seem a bit cyclical at first, but it's a strategy to ensure all your materials are centralized and easily accessible within your notebook environment. The upload process should be straightforward, usually done by selecting an option like Add Source or Upload, where you can then navigate to your downloaded file and upload it. After you've uploaded the audio file as a new source, you'll need to exercise a bit of patience. NotebookLM is equipped to generate a transcript for the audio you've added as a source, but it might take a little time depending on the length of the audio file and the software's current processing load. While you're waiting, feel free to explore other parts of the notebook or prepare your next task. Once the transcript has been successfully generated, you can view it in the Sources panel. This is your final step and a crucial part of the process, ensuring you can reference the text whenever needed for future projects or analysis. Being able to see both the audio and its transcript in your notebook allows for a deeper engagement with the material, enhancing your understanding and offering a handy reference that's just a click away. And there you have it, a seamless way to generate, download, and leverage an audio overview in NotebookLM. This method not only helps keep your work organized, but also maximizes the software's powerful capabilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful as you continue to navigate your projects in NotebookLM.